Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kibana for UX event tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Kibana for UX event tracking, first, ensure that you have a valid Kibana URL. Open a web browser on your computer or device. Type the Kibana URL into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Kibana login page to load completely. In the login interface, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both your username and password are correct. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Kibana dashboard. In case of an authentication error, re-enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, follow the password recovery link. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Kibana dashboard layout. Navigate to the section labeled Management in the left sidebar. Under Management, find and select Index Patterns. Make sure to choose the correct index for your UX event tracking. Now, go to the Discover tab to start viewing your data. Here, you can apply filters to sift through your events effectively. Use the search bar to find specific UX events by entering relevant queries. Adjust your time range to ensure you are viewing the appropriate time frame. Finally, explore visualizations by navigating to the Visualize tab. From there, you can create new visualizations to analyze UX event data. Remember to save any important visualizations for future reference. Now you are ready to track UX events using Kibana efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.